Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how do we find images and apply it to our website. Okay, so first of all, head down to free WordPress tools and scroll all the way down and find free image or photos. This is the link that you can access to download free images. One of my favorite is this Pixabay. So you just click on this Pixabay, it will open up a new tab and you can search for stunning free images. So this season we want to find a Christmas images. So we will just type in Christmas and we just do a search. So as you can see, there is this sponsored image by Shutterstock. If you click on all these links, they are all paid images. That means you need to pay for the image. So the free images is just below here. You can see here, there is 18,000 free images of Christmas. So you can scroll down and find the one that you actually like. So in this case, I will choose one of the image. Okay, I will choose this image and just click on this image. As you can see on the sidebar, there is this free for commercial use. So and there is no attribution required. That means you are freely to use these images. So how do you download this image? There is this green button called the free download. You just need to click on it and choose the size you want. Okay, so in this case, our website is we are going to install it right here. Okay, and we don't need so big size. We will just choose the 640 by 426 and we just click on download. Okay, so the image will be downloaded. So once the image is downloaded, first thing, most important, is to rename the image properly. So click on this arrow and open in folder. Okay, and we need to rename these images. How do you rename these images? Okay, first of all, we need to check the image size. As you can see, the dimension is 640 by 426. So remember that. Click on it and then you will have editing text. If you're not sure how to edit or rename it, right click and then you can click on rename right here. So to rename a photo or an image, you need to type in PH photo followed by the title. Okay, first of all, this image is for your website homepage banner, right? So you key in your own business name and followed by the image behind. So this image is actually Xmas, so I will just put Xmas. And finally is the dimension of the image, 640 times, okay, and then the other one will be 426. Okay, the reason of doing this renaming of file, okay, you are having your domain name or your business name in the image. So in a way, when the Google or the search engine crawl all these images, they will help you to index these images into the Google image or any search engine images. And when they found your domain name or business name in that image, this image will appear. So when it appear this image, they can access that image and then they can access into your website. So this is a benefit of having an image traffic into your website. So once you're done, you just click outside and the image is done. So how do we upload this image? We will need to go back to your website and then go back, make sure you log in to your admin WordPress console. To upload this image, we need to mouse over this media and we need to click on add new. So once you click on add new, you can actually add the image over here. So there is this drop file here within this dotted line box, or you can select the file. So if I click on select file, it will open up the select box. So if I want to do a drag and drop, I just need to find my folder. Okay, I just select the image that I want. I just click and I drag and release. You see the blue color? Drag, the blue color is appearing the dotted line, then you release it. So you can see the image is right now doing a load, and you can see the bar here blue, and then now it's done. So once it's done, we need to rename, we need to do the title attribute for the image, because image also have a title attribute. So you click on library, so library will show you all the images that you have already uploaded into your server. So click on the image, and this is the title attribute that we need to change to a human readable text. And of course, for the image, we also need to add another field text. It's called the alt text. Okay, so we will need to replace this, and I will give it my business name, and I can put my Christmas season. And I can do the same by copy paste into the alt text. And then over here you will see that it's trying to load and save all these text, because there is no save button, so you will automatically save. So once it's saved, you can do a close. So this image itself in your library will have a permanent title attribute and alt text. Of course, if you do any changes right here, it will auto save for you. Okay, and as you can see, when we upload, it's actually upload from this media, and then we do a add new. There's also a shortcut way that we can upload within the library. So I will show you here. There's this media library, and there's this add new. Once you click this add new, you will see there's a box here, right? So this time round, if you look at our homepage, we want to add an image on the second image here box, this box here, and this is more like more of like a vertical image that we want. So now we will need to find another vertical image and replace this image here, and we will make it vertical by doing some resizing. So let's head down to the free image, and we will, how do we go back? Okay, we can just click on the back here, and now I'm looking for a vertical image, and the vertical image I might want to go, you can choose which one you actually prefer. So for the vertical image, I need to check, and there is some text in the middle here. So if I choose this image will be just nice, I just need a vertical image. So I will choose this image for my vertical image, or maybe this is okay. This one, the snowman, looks nicer. So I'll click on this snowman. Okay, I want to download this image. I just need a small size of image. Click on free download. I'll choose 640 by 4848 and click on download. So now the image is downloaded. I will need to open up and click on show in folder. So now I want to edit this image into a vertical image. So I need to right click and click on edit. So I'll expand it. So I want a vertical image with maybe just this first part. I don't need this snowman. So how do I want to have a vertical? Over here you can see that you click outside here, you will have this this thing that you can shrink. So you just click on it and you can shrink to, it looks like a vertical image. So you see, this is the vertical image. So if you want to rewind back, you just need, in your keyboard you click on Ctrl Z, then you can rewind. So if let's say you want to move something, maybe you want this part in the middle, so you can do a Ctrl A. If you do a Ctrl A, you will see there's a highlight. I click outside again, there is no highlight. Ctrl A is highlight. Once you do Ctrl A, then you can use your keyboard or you can use your mouse. You see this mouse become click and drag already. So you can drag here and there. So you can drag whatever area you want. Okay, wherever you move one spot and you feel that it's wrong, in your keyboard, Ctrl Z. Okay, so Ctrl Z, and then you will come back to the same spot. So you want to move using your keyboard, you just select all with the dotted line and then you move with your keyboard. So this is this part I want. Okay, now I want to string until here. So I click this cursor and then I move all the way to here, which is my vertical image, and then I release it. So this is the image that I want. So I click on file and do a save as JPEG. Then I will rename it again. So I'll rename this as snow. Okay, and how do I know the size? Over here, the bottom, there is this size 6263 by 448. Then I click on save. Okay, when you save, it will automatically save as .jpg. Otherwise, you can also put .jpg. It will also help you to save as .jpg. Then you click on save. So let's look at our download folder. Now this image is saved, and we look at preview. Right click preview. You can see the picture is in vertical. Okay, the image is vertical. So now I'm going to upload this image. I go back to my WordPress, go to my media library, and I will do a drag and drop over here in the library. Drag and drop. Okay, you see the blue screen. I release. I come back here, is nothing. Drag and drop. And you can see all the live images are being loaded here. So you click here and you can rename. Right, if let's say you want to find the previous image, you can just click on the arrow right here. So I'm going to copy the same text and go back here, paste. The system will help you do the save. So now I have two images saved ready. I want to upload these two images in my home page, this and this. So how do I go? Since I'm in the home page right here, and if you want to know how to access your home page, over here in the image library, you just need to mouse over here. Okay, and then you can right click this visit site and open up link in the new tab. So you will open up the link in the new tab. Okay, so this is the image we want to replace it. So to replace it, you need to mouse over edit page and click on edit with UX builder. So once you are in the UX builder, which one do you want to replace? Okay, as you can see, this one has a banner and there's a slider. So this is a slider banner. All right. So I want to put it at the second image. So I will click on the second image, and it will load the second image. So this image, this banner, I want to change the image. So I just click on the banner, just this blue space here, not this text, this blue space. Click on it. You can see the sidebar. So I want to change the background. Here you see there's a background. I just need to click on change media. Change medium. It will load your medium library, and you can find the image that you want. Select with the tick here. You can do a rename here. If you got images in your computer, you want to do the upload, you need to click on upload file. You can also upload from here, and the image will also appear here, and you can still do the editing for this title and title title alt text. So this is the image I want. I click on use this image. So once you click on use this image, the system will load and you can have this image loaded. As you can see, this image, my tree is a bit out on shape, but in this image I have the full sizes. Okay, so for this case, you can see, is there any you see there's this large and original. So let's take a look. Does it actually help us to squeeze it? No, it doesn't help us to squeeze it. So it will be the same size. So you need to have this adjustment to find out what is the size of this image, and then you can actually do a image to make it just nice. Because over here we can see that there is no having our image to give 100% width. So let's take a look. So is there any 100% width? There's no image that is 100% width. So even this large is the same. So this is snow effect. So you have this Christmas tree and the snow effect. Okay, so now for the image, if you want to have full size, you need to re-edit this image. Okay, how to re-edit this Christmas tree? Let me show you again. Okay, you need to right click your Christmas tree, right click, edit. This time round, I want it to be more towards the right side. I will need to select all so that I have this dotted line, and then I do the arrow from my keyboard to the left. Okay, and then I click outside and then I drag back. So this is something that I'm looking at. Okay, there's no white border here. So this is 620 426. Press my file, save as, new. Okay, save as. You will save, you will replace the current only. Save as will open up a new image. Then I will replace the file size, 620 426. Save. So I go back to my image here. I click on change media now. I want to upload the image. Click on select file, or I can drag and drop. Then it will load in the media library. So I want the same title and the alt text. I need to copy this. Wait for this to load, finish. Then I can put this title and title the alt text. Wait for a while to save. Then you can click on use this image. So this image, the center, the tree should move a bit to the left. You saw that? They move it a bit to the left. Okay, so now the next image for my vertical image, I'll click on this banner again, and then background, change media. Okay, and then click on this snow and click on use this image, and then you can wait for a while. So now my image is there. Okay, you want to do some effect, you can take a look the effect and see what else do you want to add. But I will not add for this image. Okay, so this is about the image, on adding the image. And remember, I got this image that has a duplicate two image, one of the image that we do not want. If you look at this library and I do a refresh again by clicking this library, the new image will load, and then the old image, how do I remove the old image that I do not need? You can actually leave it there, but if you intend to remove it, you just click on this image and then you click on delete permanently. So you click OK, the image will be deleted. So that's all about adding image. Thank you.